Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for March 26, 2020. Today we're taking a look at the USDCAD, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar for today's trade analysis. Over the past couple of days, we have seen a significant pullback, sell-off, retracement, whatever you want to call it. Market's been moving down on the dollar CAD against what has been a pretty significant rise here for this currency pair. We started all the way down here at the bottom of the chart near the mid 129 level, and here we are challenging into the top of the chart into the low 1.46s. So a significant uptrend over the past couple of weeks. But now we see a little bit of a chink in the armor, a little bit of a pullback as the market is pushing back down. So the question is, are we in for a change of the trend, a more significant reversal to go back down, or is this just simply a correction before going back up again? So what we need to wait for is the right setup, the right opportunities when we're looking for lower risk and higher reward. The colored shaded areas, of course, represent areas that I deem as decision points. Where am I going to make my buying and selling? Sure, classically, you might call them support and resistance, but I like to refer to them as decision points in the market. Where am I going to look to make my decision? Not simply because that's where I want to make it, but where has the market historically made these decisions? And you can even see on yesterday's candle, let's zoom it in a little bit. Over the past couple of days, we've seen the market make decisions around this yellow shaded area. Right here, where the black X is, we saw the previous day close, this day open at the yellow zone, 1.42, and go up. Then we saw the market spike down to the yellow zone here, right in the middle of that area, and turn around and go back up. Yesterday, we saw the market come down, close at the yellow zone, and now open near the yellow zone. So it's pretty clear, at least right now, that this yellow zone is a significant decision point for the dollar CAD. So if the market is doing that, then we may make our trading decisions at these same areas. So we wait for the setups, the buying and selling indicators to line up around these colored shaded areas. One of two things is going to happen here at this yellow zone. It's history, and we can't change it. It's either going to bounce off and go back up, or it's going to break through and continue to go down. And that's kind of what it looks like today. It looks like it's trying to break through and continue to go down. Next level down would be 40.85, 40.50, the blue shaded area. So if it gets through the yellow zone, the expectation is it goes to the blue zone, then the green zone, and further down. If it turns around, gets back above the yellow zone, really the next place to look at is the purple shaded area up here, 1.433070. So we're trying to make our decision around the yellow shaded area. 4-hour time frame. As we get down there to the 4-hour time frame, doesn't change any of that, really. I mean, you could see, look at the decisions on the left-hand side being made around the yellow shaded area there. Look at the center point where the market made its decision around there. And even over the past couple of days where the market found support and now pushing through it. So again, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the sell setup underneath the yellow shaded area. One clue to that, and this is a clue that I've looked for a long time, is that I want to see a full candle body underneath that yellow shaded area. That would be my first clue that it's a real break of that yellow zone and not a false break, because really, if you think about it, right here, closed underneath the red candle, right there where the black circle is, closed underneath 142, which you would have thought, hey, that's it, it's going to turn around and go down. And then next day, the next 4-hour period, turned right back around and went up. So what would be the difference maker? What would be the change here? And for me, that will be first the open and close underneath the yellow shaded area for the dollar CAD today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.